All right, what's up, guys? So, here's the deal. For the next 3 days, I'm with my boys. I'm going to show you them real quick here. Here's my boys. We're selling fireworks for the next 3 days. The next 3 days, I can't go to the gym. I'm literally here 24 hours a day for the next 3 days, sleeping in a trailer, slinging fireworks. This right here, turn around lights, show them over here too, okay? So we got this much space, okay? I think this is probably a 30 or 40 foot container. I'm gonna be doing workouts here in the trailer for my workouts to prove to you, you don't need any equipment. You don't need a gym. You don't even need a crazy space. You can use a fireworks stand to get your fitness in. So that's what I'm gonna show you over the next few days. So pay attention.